What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, this is Jackson again, and for this episode guys, I will show you the different best places here in Southeast Asia. So actually guys, I know you are so excited to travel soon. So actually guys, I prepared this video for you to pick what's best here in Southeast Asia to visit. And actually guys, I know you are excited to hang out with your friends very soon. So right now guys, in this video, I'll share to you the 12 best places to visit here in Southeast Asia. So guys, please include this in your bucket list. Let's go. The countries that fall in the Southeast Asia region have so much going for them, it's almost impossible to keep them off anybody's bucket list. From the white soft beaches to major cities to the rich history and culture and the must-try food, this part of the world has something for everybody. While some destinations such as Thailand's beaches and islands and the majestic Angkor Wat in Cambodia are known everywhere, some places in Southeast Asia remain more elusive and off the main tourist radar. This gives visitors a chance to mix things up, to go with the crowds to see the most popular spots, but also make time to discover new and different corners of Southeast Asia. Whatever your heart is set on, here is a list of best places to visit in Southeast Asia. Number 12 guys is Komodo Island, Indonesia. Number 11, Tegalalang Rice Terraces, Bali. Number 10, Palawan Island, Philippines. Number 9, Luang Prabang, Lao. Number 8 guys is Singapore. Number 7, Bangkok, Thailand. Number 2, Halong Bay, Vietnam. And number 1, Siem Reap and Angkor Wat, Cambodia. So guys, those are the 12 beautiful places to visit here in Southeast Asia. So if you're planning to have your vacation soon, so try to include that in your bucket list, guys, and give your best shot. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to be updated for my latest video. I always upload videos here, guys, in my channel, videos related to YouTube tutorials about business, about travel, financial literacy, and especially guys about motivations. So please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button, and most especially guys, follow me on Instagram, Jackson Minescola, and TikTok, guys, Jackson Minescola also, and please follow my Facebook page, Uncle Jackson Vlog. Thank you for watching and God bless.